In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy stocks on Exness. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to sign into your personal area on Exness with your account, and then you want to hit trading button top left and click on my accounts. Here you have to first open a demo or a real account. I have a tutorial on this on my channel as well, so in case you don't know how to do it, you can watch that video as well. And then here you can then go ahead, select one of your trading accounts, click on the trade button, and select the Exness terminal. Now this will take you to Exness's web trading terminal over here, where you can then go ahead and buy stocks the following way. First, click on Instruments top left over here, and then here under where it says Favorites or whatever it says over here, click on this drop down menu and click on Stocks down here. Then pick the stock you would like to buy. So for example, as you can see, there's a bunch of different ones. Let's say we want to buy Apple. Click on the stock over here, and right now the markets are closed and they're opening on October 13th at 10 a.m. So I can't really show you how to buy this, but it's going to look something like this. So you're going to see the buy and sell button. You can just click on buy, put in the volume you'd like to buy, set a take profit or stop loss if you want to, and after that simply click on confirm buy, and just like that you've successfully bought stocks on Exness. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.